Hey, to connect the Beats Solo 4 headphones with your Windows PC or laptop, first of all, you will have to enter for the pairing mode. So you have to locate a right headphone and you have to click and hold this button until this indicator right here starts blinking quickly, just like this. So now we can release this button and put them close to your PC. And next, there's my browser, never mind, but we have to just navigate into the settings. And when you open the settings, you will have to navigate into the left side. There we go, on the Bluetooth and devices. And then we have to turn on the Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher. And then we have to click to add device. Now you will have to select Bluetooth device. And right now we have to select your Beats Solo 4 headphones. So just click on them once with the left mouse button and now we are successfully connected. As you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.